There are so many utilities around our house that we consider to be eyesores, like mailboxes, electrical boxes, and even pool pumps like the one I have here. And our first instinct is to try to cover these things up. In this case, when we moved to our house, there was a big lattice panel that covered this entire pool pump. And the first thing I did was to rip it down. And the reason why is that I truly believe that by covering up a lot of these utilities, we actually end up drawing our eye to them, which is exactly the opposite of what we're trying to do. So if you have a utility or an item at your house that you feel like is something that you want to take the eye away from, try and fight the feeling of using some sort of structure or shrub or seasonal color to take the eye away from it and to kind of buffer it and hide it, because usually it doesn't work. It does the opposite. It has the opposite effect. So in our case, we removed our lattice panel. My mom had an electrical box that was right next to her garden, and she ended up painting it so it was camouflaged. And in the case of a mailbox, I would recommend that you don't put seasonal color or something to draw the eye to it. Our instinct is to try to decorate around it, and really it's just a utility that we want to be left alone. So don't try to put landscape around it. Don't try to draw more attention to it. Do the opposite. It is super simple. If you have any questions about your specific instance, you can comment below and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have about it.